In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy things with PayPal without using a credit card or bank account. Let's get started. You'll need to have a PayPal account ready. If you don't have one yet, just hop on to PayPal's website and create an account. It's free and straightforward. Once you're set with that, log into your PayPal account. Make sure that everything in your account is up to date, including any linked cards or funds you have. Now that you're logged in, head over to an online store like eBay. This step is crucial as eBay is one of the many retailers that allow PayPal payments. Browse through the endless array of products, and when you find an item that piques your interest, make sure it's exactly what you're looking for. Carefully review the details from the product description to the seller's ratings. Once you've made your choice, it's time to move on to the next exciting part, clicking that Buy It Now button. This action will initiate the purchasing process for the item you've selected. Now, you'll be directed to a page where you can choose your payment method. Here is where PayPal comes in handy. Select PayPal as your payment method, and then click on Pay with PayPal. This will redirect you to the PayPal website. If you're not already logged in, PayPal will prompt you to do so using your email address and password. This step is vital as it ensures the security of your transaction. On the PayPal site, take a moment to review all the payment details to ensure everything is accurate. This includes verifying the amount to be paid and the shipping details if applicable. If everything looks good, go ahead and authorize the payment by clicking on the Pay Now button or a similar option. This simple action will finalize your PayPal transaction. Once PayPal has processed your payment authorization, you'll be redirected back to eBay. At this point, your order is completed and finalized, and you'll receive confirmation of your purchase. Congratulations, you've successfully bought something online using PayPal without the need for a credit card or bank account. This method is not only straightforward, but also a fantastic way to manage your online transactions securely and conveniently using PayPal. So next time you find yourself wanting to shop online without a credit card or bank account, you know exactly what to do. Outro. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos. Happy shopping!